Hi everybody, welcome back to Whimsy Crafter. I hope you all are doing great. I'm posting after a very long hiatus, I know, and while posting after so long, I felt the best possible topic for the video would be concerning an orchid. So before I begin, let me tell you, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon right beside it, and don't forget to like this video and don't forget to follow Whimsy Crafter for more such content. So the video that I am going to share with you today is a video that I shot about a year back, but due to some technical glitches the file got corrupted and it was very difficult to retrieve it. But ultimately I have managed to do so, and the best part is the result of the video is also ready with me. Yes, I am talking about reproducing orchids through its natural format, not through any lab culture format. And orchids in nature reproduce by producing kikis. Kikis are small saplings that grow on the existing mature plant itself, and after attaining maturity they can be detached from the mother plant and grown separately. As an example, right here on the screen I can show you a few orchid kikis. This is my Dendrobium aphyllum plant, and if you look closely you will see that this thing I am holding in my hand is an orchid kiki. It's basically a mini orchid plant that is growing on an existing leafless Dendrobium aphyllum cane. I had posted a YouTube short yesterday on this regard, and you can see it already has, root growth on it. It has root growth on it, and it is not quite big right now, but if it grows a bit bigger and I just detach this and mount it elsewhere, it will grow pretty fine. So this is exactly the idea that I used a year back to grow a few orchids in a mounted setup on my terrace. So here are those mounted orchids. As you can see, the roots have grown quite well and they have almost covered the piece of mango wood on which they have been mounted. I have used sphagnum moss for mounting. And there is another example of another aphyllum kiki that I had mounted. You can see the root growth here too, okay, and there are roots here at the back also. All these mounts are about a year old. Here is another example. This has grown quite well, and you can see new root tips, the green tips growing. The plant is still growing. It has grown considerably, and with proper care it will bloom. So these are the plants that I mounted a year back, and that is exactly what I am going to show you in the following clip. So as always, please don't forget to comment below where you are watching this video from, and if you have any queries, any suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. So without further ado, let's get to the video.